quiet before dawn, something stirs within. Atoms dancing, rearranging. Where did we begin? You were there at the start, every particle in place, breaking through the dark, leaving marks of grace. Rising higher than before, breaking every chain. Something that I can't ignore, calling out my name. Your hands for me from light, from light. And every piece designed, every piece written in your sight, beyond what I could find. Your hands for me from light, formed from light. Ancient fire in my veins, burning pure and true. Matter scattered through the ages, gathered up by you. Every element aligned, purpose sealed above. Time and space combined in this act of love. Rising higher than before, breaking every chain. Something vast I can't ignore, calling out my name. You knew me before time began. You drew me into your plan. Your hands for me from life, from life. Every piece designed, every piece written in your sight, beyond what I could find. Your hands for me from life, formed from light into a crescendo.